doing is we've hired a little cat, well not that little, 307C digger. We want to put some water in on some land we've got away from the main farmyard. Now we've got a well in this old patch of scrub here somewhere. And at the moment that's what I'm trying to find. I'm trying to find get my way in through all the trash and rubbish, scrub, fell off, to find the well. So we're going to put a pump in it to pump water out some tanks in the fields for young stock. But surprised how much growth is in here. You've got to get through, really. My father's already had a walk down through all the trash to see if he could find the well, but he couldn't find it. It'd be handy if I had a digger with a thumb on it, like a grapple, I think, doing this job. I've been messed about in the trash in here looking for the well for half an hour now. I don't think I'm getting anywhere. So I've come down the field and I found the old hydram, which is an old water pump. Can you see it on the camera here? Ah, there it is. There, tip my finger. That's an old water pump that uses water to pump water. So there should be a pipe going straight up into the trash in there somewhere. So the digger is quite a way up the field, so I'm going to go and do a bit more scratching around. Hopefully we'll be able to find it. This is the trash that we've been digging through. Lots of old trees and quite big old stuff. Now this is where the digger is. Now the hydram, I think I've got to go down the field quite a bit more. The scrub, really, from where I was, because I think it's around the front end of this clump of trees here somewhere, or it's in the middle of all this. Do you know, it could be by these thistles here. Right underneath more power cables. Bloody careful today. Right. Let's keep digging. Right, we have found the well, and it's a lot further up the field than we thought. Yeah, I was heading all the way down that way, bottom of the field, and we thought it was only about halfway up, but we're only 20 metres from the hedge, from the roadside hedge. So yeah, it's funny how over time you forget where things are. And my father had been walking in by here just now, well not just now, a couple hours, an hour or so ago, probably a couple hours now, and he said he couldn't find it anywhere, and he must have been literally on top of it, I think. So I'm just going to clean around the well here a bit now. It looks like I have knocked it with the digger, because the top doesn't look like it's sitting on it properly. But we found the well anyway, which is what we were aiming to do this morning. Eventually. Right, oh, it's a bit wet here. I'm a bit nervous that the machine was going to sink out of sight here today. So there we have it, there's our well. Let's get around the other side. If I can. I should have worn my Wellington boots today, shouldn't I? Not my work boots. Yeah, I have pulled the top off a bit.